Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to multiply your time. We're going to use the strongest AI tool in the world to create a tweet for us and post it while we're not doing a thing. We're going to let it act on its own autonomously. This tool is called AutoGPT, which is literally ChatGPT that acts on its own. First thing you're going to want to do is go to openai.com, make an account, and grab your API key. Now go to this exact link. Click on settings and enter your API key to get started. Okay, we asked Agent GPT to create a tweet about AI and post it to our Twitter. It thought on its own to A/B split test our tweet. It created different variations of the tweet and then it posted them to see which one would do better. It did market research to find out what types of tweets about AI get the most attention. It thought on its own to generate an image with a caption because that gets more views on Twitter. And then it did market research to find out what the best times to post on Twitter are, so I get the most views. You give AutoGPT a goal, it comes up with a list of tasks needed to reach your goal. No, you can't ask it to make your woman laugh.